workflow for ideal pipe clamp. Social accounting influences assessment of pipeline infrastructure, sustainable constitution claim for pipeline, methodical approach for blueprinting the pipeline, and finally convenient pipe clamp. Objective of this project to analyze the problem that people are having using the existing products and to prevent all the problem occur before from happening again when using the product. Next, to design the product which is pipe clamp can act as a vessel support system to hold up the sensors securely in place. Finally, to develop a pipe clamp that has high flexibility to use for all kind of sensor. That's for the introduction.
Assalamualaikum and hi. Thank you Aidil for the introduction. I will continue with design processes. First topic is problem definition. I will give you 3 examples that we will face if our pipelines has not been inspected carefully. First example is general deterioration. It is when the state of pipe having deteriorated and become rusty. Next is destructiveness. It is when the pipe gives more damage to the material that flow in the pipe. For the third example is poor effectiveness. It is when the function or the work efficiency of pipe become reduced or decreased. Impacts on society and environment. For society, people or workers may injure if the pipe is broken or not safe to use. Extra cost will be charged to repair or buy a new pipe. For environment, the environment pollution may be happen because the broken pipe is difficult to fully compose. Next, it will affect the picture because the resource is limited and non-reusable. How to improve? First, the material of the pipe clamp should be sustained and the pipe thickness should be accurate with proper measurement. Next, routine checking the condition of pipe for every 2 weeks. This is 2 steps that we can use to face the problem. Business opportunity. First is oil and gas industry. A pipe used to transport oil from the production area to the export loading terminal. Next is welding industry. It was made to connect several sections of the pipe. Third industry is sewerage industry. A pipe used to transport wastewater or sewage from homes or industries. Here, oil industry doing the pipeline process that need the inspection process, so they need the clamp that can increase the inspection process. So we must create the best clamp that all the industry want it. The last topic from me is benchmarks. First is adjustable. The importance of adjustable pipe clamp. We need to create the clamp that can use for various diameter of pipe. Next is motorized. We need to create a stable motorized pipe clamp. It can help to get the accurate result because we can avoid from human error. Lastly is affordable. This picture showed metal strip. It suitable material for pipe clamp, and more importantly, it is affordable. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Thank you Hisham for the previous presentation. So now we will proceed to customer and competitors. So the first one is the company has set up customers gratification is our first priority. Basically, the product that our company has created really related, really close to customers' requirements. So the product is very easy to use, and mostly the target user for our company want to sell is to the among the all engineers, because the engineers has the capabilities of conducting or using our product in order to put on the pipeline. So the next one is for competitors. The company has set up a slogan which is "Hustle is temporary and greatness lasts forever." In this section, the company has underlined several ways in order to challenge other competitors, which is there are three. The first one is leadership, and the second one is focus, and the last one is open-minded. So these three basic things that our company use in order to overcome the other competitors to sell our product efficiently. Okay. So next, customer requirements and engineering characteristic. In this section, our company has list out the top 10 requirements that our customers needed. The first one is adjustable. The second one is highly sustainable, high degree of safety, lightweight, affordable, anti-rust, appropriate sizing, durability, high impact resistant, and motorized. So customer requirements needs the engineering characteristic which will fully fulfill the customer requirements. So the engineering characteristic is mobility, type of material, user-friendly, type of component, low cost, the coating material, the dimension of the clamp, the long-lasting use, quality of material, and work efficiency. So in completing this project successfully, the company has come up with relevant standard to settle up this product. So the product that we using has its personal values, belief, and performance. So there's no worries to the customer if the product has any defect, because the product is completely perfect. Because it has its own characteristic, which maybe the other competitors will not have the same. So and the very crucial part is this product is very trusted, because all the system, management system, terminology, and safety are all in the greatest conditions. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Next, the product design specification. Firstly, the engineering characteristic rank. From the table, we can see the first rank is user-friendly and the last rank is low cost. Secondly is the product identification. From this part, we will know the main function of the clamp. Our clamp will act as a basic support system to hold up the transducer secure in place. Furthermore, the clamp will easy to assemble and disassemble. The important thing is this clamp suitable for various size of pipe. Then the market identification. Target for our project is industry manufacturing pipe. For the size, it will be between 6 to 12 inch of the diameter clamp. We expect the demand for this clamp to be 100 units per year. Next is the physical description. This clamp requires high sustainable material and need to be coated. In addition, the constraint is 1 kg upper limit unacceptable weight. Moreover, the pricing policy over life cycle for manufacturing cost is 1,000 ringgit and the retail price is 1,500 ringgit. The level of capital investment is 350 ringgit. Lastly, the life cycle target for this clamp. We target the cost of installation and operation is 2,000 ringgit and warranty is up to 3 years. Also, the reliability of the clamp is the material is durable and easy to obtain.
A very good evening to Dr. Rahman and my fellow fans. My name is Chawi and I would like to share about the topic of project management of our proposal. So, what is the project management? Project management is the process of leading the works of a team to achieve all project goals with the contracts. This information is usually described in project documentation created at the beginning of development process. Next, here is the Gantt chart of our proposal. In this Gantt chart, it is actually consists of total 5 tasks and we need to complete it within 15 weeks. Each of the tasks consists of different subtasks. For example, in task 1, product planning, it consists of 2 subtasks, which are group formation and problem definition for the first week, and SOQ and design specification PDS for the second week. We have to complete the subtasks with the time given. I also label the tasks with coloring. For example, in task 1, I label it with yellow colors. For the task 2, I label it with the orange colors. So with the coloring, we can have the more easily understanding of this Gantt chart. Here is the responsibility matrix. Since that our group consists of 5 members, so each of us will take care of each part. So for the introduction and conclusion, is actually handled by Eidfar. For the design process, is handled by Hisham and Faris. For the product design specification, is handled by Hajar, and project management is handled by me. Okay, so I think that's all for me. Thank you. By right, I will pass to Eidfar to the conclusion part. Thank you.
For the last part in this present video is the conclusion. We need to determine the process needed for the product before proceeding to manufacture. The first process is we need to determine the market analysis for the product. We had observed the general need for the product, benchmarking for the performance criteria, and listing competitive current product including the business opportunity for our product. In addition, we had determined design parameter which contain customer requirement, product design specification, and engineering characteristic for our product. We came up with half of quality for engineering characteristic. All the process above are important to determine the extent to which the organization and competitors are being able to fulfill customer requirements.